Alright, gonna go through the new app here. Have done several changes. The main one is that the different modules are now organized and categorized into three main tabs: real time, words, and sentences. So basically, real time is you are doing some activity and you're feeding basically sentences or paragraphs or individual words through speech to text. This means any audio on your computer, so you could be watching a movie, talking to some group chat, or even practicing yourself in the mic. And this is going to capture the audio speech in your computer. This screenshot right here, basically you're playing a game, is going to capture whatever is in there and turn into an image and extract the text from that image. So you can be scrolling social media, you see a funny meme in the language you're learning, do a little screen capture here, and assuming that the background and font are not too screwed up, you should be able to grab the text most of the time. Right, so this click here is, I'll show it in the browser. So now we have this second screen here button, and we do have this on every single one of these, and I'll go through that in a little more detail. But for the click one, you can either do select, click words, or do both. So for example, gotta click on that obviously.
Метаметрика. Азамат.
So basically, you can just be browsing the internet, and now you got a tool basically it's going to very narrow focus, grab something for you. Not sure why this is not working. It was working a moment ago. Let's try YouTube. YouTube.com. Let's search. Okay, and up here you can have different tools. You can get the subtitles, or if you're watching a movie, you can make this full screen, have the subtitles start showing up there. But let's make it not full screen at the moment. So now we have a keyboard here. So let's search for Brat. So that should pull up the movie. If I click on that. Oh shit, so that's not working. That's interesting. Never mind. I gotta fix that little bug. Movie. So I'm trying to make. Okay, so I got content in Russian here for sure. Gotta click on this. So the speech to text does take a few seconds to load. So while that's doing this, let's go ahead and do something else. So this real time is you are getting information in. These two are you are studying content in a more relaxed fashion. So you can click on the individual words.
Повстречаться. Запуски.
And in sentences, let's go ahead and load a data set. So we got your built-in sessions and your saved sessions. So my saved sessions are either anything I do in real time, if I save them to a session, and I can copy and paste any text. So as we built in, let's do practice. So these are like modern settings, the AI created stories. Kind of like them more than the Aesop stories, but if you do the other one, it's a bunch of like famous classical children's story for the majority, and it goes into more advanced. But here we have a data set, and we can practice this data set sentence by sentence.
Одеяло.
That's interesting. Okay, so let's go ahead, and there are different sentences, so options. So if you want to have the transcript coming fast, click on that. Slow and steady is going to be more accurate, but it's going to take a little longer to give you a final result. These are just basically how the models are handled. So if you got a crappy computer, might want to do tiny, more powerful computer. So you can see, it's really cool. You can watch a movie, and then after watching the movie, you can review it. And you can do this on your phone if you were to push it over. Let's go ahead and do the app merge. So this is probably one of my favorites too. So, the game we were messing around with. Where are you? So you can embed this, and a lot of games. Fuck, this is probably not the best example for it, maybe, but like a lot of games get your mouse stuck so you can't even hover over. So with this one, it's like you merge the app, so you can hover over the side and click on any of the words you don't understand at any point. It's really fucking cool. And also, when we click on this, it screen captures the area. So, like, if you zoom back here, you can notice. Let's see. So, if I were to move my mouse, that disappears, right? So, let's go ahead and do that again. Screen capture. I can move my mouse anywhere, so you don't have to worry about losing that information. Yeah, I mean, it works really good. It's really fun. Let's try doing the Tiny Bunny. And you can just go through the game. And like I said, you can make it full screen
Yep.
and do the little subtitles here. If you prefer that. I have to do an option to get rid of that. It comes right in the middle. It's kind of annoying. Let's go ahead and remove that. So we went through the browser. We went through the merge. And in the merge, you can actually merge the browser too, but the select works a little bit better on the default browser one. City Explorer is one of the ones I'm messing around with, so it's kind of in beta mode. But basically, the idea is that you are in Google Maps, and I think we all done that. We just go ahead and explore an area. So, say for example, we can go nearby. Click this here. So maybe walk from there. So now the mini map here is going to tell me where to go to get there. So little Shankas and the little Russian dolls. What are they doing here? Kind of like bread or something. Can't tell what that is. I wonder if that's like a plastic suit or if it's a sweater. Kind of looks like it's like one of those like chemical biohazard type stuff. Oh, this is kind of cool. It's like a wooden little box. I bet he is rolled in. So you got your mask there. So there's a gas mask and the little doll. So basically, it's the most Russian cliche shit ever. The Russian dolls, officers with chonkas, and they kind of look like they're like Soviet icons right there. I mean, these one definitely look Soviet, and I'm just gonna have the little colors. Bart Simpson, so that's kind of cool. I mean, it kind of looks like, if you go to Mexico, go to a tianguis, Captain America. So Superman. So if you go to Tianguis, you're probably gonna have all this type of stuff, but with the Mexican flair to it. So all right, the Adidas stripes, the Tripaloski. This is fucking awesome. I got fucking distracted, dude. But you can see, is it this shit is fun. This shit is fun, and you can go to 2D if you want to like zoom in a place, do the explore street. So now you're like inside and like I don't know, dude. That's interesting. So like this, like the type of stuff like you see like in a museum, like an online museum page. and you got all these images. They actually made it a photo, but it's so small. Why the fuck is it so small? The frame is so big. That clock is really cool. Okay, so I got all these. All right, so this looked like a little hotel. It kind of sucks how it blur the faces there. Like, obviously, it's like AI wise, but okay. So you got a big ass painting in there. So slice of life type art. Old ass phone. Dude, this is so fucking cool. It kind of looks like, I don't know, man, like a. I mean, you're obviously going back in time a little bit, so that's their little thing, but mixed with a television. Ah, oh, dude, I really like. Oh, there's a fucking piano. Shit. Let's go back here. That's so fucking cool. I'm not sure if I can get there. Did the same shit. Okay. Oh, wait. There's art on the piano. Shut the fuck up. This is so cool. I liked. Oh, there's a fucking chandelier up there. I missed it. Okay. All right. So that center is just like they're like a woman. Oh, dude, I fucking like Russia so much. This is so cool. All right. That chandelier is pretty cool too. So like little arts, like wheat plants. Little walk-in closet. So I wonder if if I click on this, it's gonna push me to the cafe, I believe. Yeah. So. Okay, like I was saying, this is beta, and I didn't know if I wanted to keep it or not. But I really want to keep this now. This is so fun. All right. So that's the. Okay, so it's obviously no tell. Dude, that's so cool. Oh my god. You could see like the famous red square type stuff outside. Dude. I really enjoyed this. All right. So those are the 3-second screens here. Going back to the word one. So there's a few stuff here like the enhance. Let's do next. What the hell? Okay.
Позабытые.
So this is just
Где?
going to give you a bunch of extra information. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. Subtitles at the end.
Брак.
So extra meanings and depending on the content. So probably the coolest one is the I'm not sure if I fucking did this already. I don't think. Yeah. Did I? Okay, because I did a previous recording, so I'm not sure if I fucking did this one already. So if we're here,
Покой.
Go. Oh, fucking stop. So we are on the words one. So you can actually do. Okay, let's do the games. What the fuck is that not working? So we're the words tab. Click on the word games. Oh shit! I broke the damn thing. Su puta madre. Let's see. Movie watch. Okay, that's working. So in the movie watch here, we can go ahead. Oh, that's why we're stuck at word zero. So if we do this one here, you can go ahead and do this sentence, for example.
Пикник с неожиданным гостем.
A picnic with a surprise guest.
Пикник.
Picnic.
Пикник.
With.
Неожиданным.
Surprise.
Неожиданным. Гостем.
Guest.
Гостем. Пикник с неожиданным гостем. Прежде чем уйти,
Basically, it's going through this whole set of stories. So it's just 16 lines, and there's different options of how you want to set up. So we're kind of stuck in the words. So if you just want to do all the individual words, here, you can go ahead and do that. Um, yeah, that bug is really interesting. So something broke where the word games is no longer showing. So let's see if I can do the games here. I don't sure. Huh. Let me go ahead and close this. And let's roll this again. It's already over 15 minutes. Okay, that's fucking weird. I wonder what the hell the bug is there. So something with the second screen fucked it up. So the word game is taking all these data sets of different words. So the sessions are between all the words you encounter. So say you're watching a movie, you get like, I don't know, 2,000 new words in the movie. It's going to be added here. And you can practice those different words
войти,
in different ways. Say multiple choice is a pretty common one. So it's going to give you the correct answer if you get it wrong. And you can go ahead and practice that essentially. Let's do Hangman. Um, that's and these are words that either you encounter from a session, so you can specify the session. So if you're doing homework and you reading a book and you have a chapter assigned and you want to know every single word of that chapter, you can do the different, options here, either the audiobook or the word games and stuff, and you just focus on that specific piece of information. Um, yeah. So yeah, that's the basic gist of it. I mean, if you do the input, you can switch from English to Russian. I mean, it's going to translate into Russian whatever English input is, and then do the thing. But that's the basic gist. I think I covered all of it here. So I think I'm gonna. I mean, I keep fucking saying this, but I'm gonna build a simple web page and have it available downloading, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna promote it, but and this would be connected if you log in to your mobile app. So whatever you do here, say you're watching a movie in the real time and you want to practice the individual words in the movie you saw, you can pull out your phone and it's synchronized and just practice that specific set of words. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and shut this down. It's been long enough.